How to fix Instagram loading issue on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix it easy and quick. First, open App Store or Play Store, and now make sure your Instagram is updated. If you found here update, just click on it, and if you can't find any update here, then let's move to the next step. Go to settings, scroll down until you find here apps, then click apps again. Now type here Instagram and click on it, then click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. If that doesn't fix your problem and you have an iOS phone, then just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and your problem must be fixed. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.